Welcome once again to Nabella Couture, and today I'll be teaching you on how to mold this half moon shaped fascinator. Today we'll be needing the printed paper mats, our half moon, this is our half moon block, embellishments, glue, stiffener, and other necessary essentials we'll be needing in our blocking. So first of all, we are going to cover up our mold, our heart block, cover up our heart block with cellophane. Then we apply our lubricant. We apply our lubricant around it this way for easy removal. This is our paper mat. Make sure you fold it this way so that the printed part shows in the two ends. So now we'll be molding this half moon shaped fascinator, and you make sure when you place it, the both sides, we want the printed part to both be at the same, can you see here, the same parts. So now this is what you do. Pin it down this way, the edges this way. So now you can see our shape formed, our half moon shape formed. See, our Alice band will be covering up this place. Our half moon shape is formed. Half moon heart block is made. Next, you use a stiffener. For the paper mat, you use a thick stiffener. It shouldn't be watery. Then you stiffen it just the way we do it. You stiffen everywhere. You stiffen around it. That way. So this is our already made dried half moon fascinator. So what we'll do now, we'll cut off the excesses this way. You use the peg to hold it down so it doesn't go off. Okay, so next you do as you go through putting the wire, you are using the pegs so that it doesn't pull off. Okay. So now we have our wire stuck in there. Using this, I'll be using the medium size because the height isn't match the length here. Taking off the black, just pull it out and it will be out. You could use it for another project. So I have just the white parts. So all I'll be doing is I'll take these pegs off, this by the side. Can you see it? All I have to do is apply my hot glue. Put it in position of where I want. And you stick it. So you could also sew. After sticking, you could sew. Especially if you are working with cinnamon, I will advise you sew. This is how to make your half moon. How to make your half moon fascinator. This is a half moon. So you could decide to put some pearls, but it's floral enough. In case you're having a plain job, you could decide to put some stones, pearls, embellishments. You embellish it just the way you want it. But because it already has so much flowers, it's a floral mat, paper mat I used. It's advisable to just make a little statement by the side and you're good to go. So thank you so much for joining us in this course of classic millinery. Thank you. To purchase the full video of this lesson, click on the link in the description section.